Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. In this tutorial I will teach you how to create this simple black and white to color transition in the Canva. But before we diving into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to support the channel and allows me to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I need a new Canva page. Go into the videos and I choose just a empty video Canva. First of all, go into the elements, just uploading the picture what I would like to use, increasing the size to fit the page, and yeah, more or like this. Maybe I can go a bit more down. Yeah, the important thing to fit from the left to the right. And now I duplicating the page. No, it might be easier if you just fitting into the bottom and the left corner. Easier to add the second page, removing the background, crop the picture a bit to get a bit easier touch with the background, and now increasing the timing of the page to 10 seconds. And now the next step is just to duplicate the page, not delete. That was nice. Duplicate and go into between the two pages and where I can find the add page and the transitions. I go into the add transition, match and move, and the duration is set to the maximum, which is 5 seconds. At the moment nothing has happened. Just as you can see, both video, the 10 seconds videos was cropped to 7.5 due to the transition in the middle is 5 seconds. So this 2.5 seconds and 2.5 seconds are overlapping. And now what I would like to do is go into the first page, selecting the background, go into edit, adjust, scrolling down until I find the color, go into the saturation and moving to -100, so that the minimum. And I did it on the wrong page. Nice. I think, no problem. I go into the edit, adjust, saturation is 100. Okay. Adjust, saturation -100. Okay. And as you can see, this woman is still in red, is still in color due to the original picture in the background. She's of course black and white, but due to I made a duplication and then for this picture, just remove the background and only this woman exists in the picture. I can overlap the original one due to this is a same size. So just keep her as in color, but the background is black and white. And now if I go into the preview, we can see all this smooth, small, slow transition from the black and white to the color, which is very nice. If you would like to increase the speed, the only thing what you have to do is going back to the transitions and change, reduce the duration of the transition. And in this case, you can see this transition is going very fast. As you can see, but in this case we can you can cut these pictures. I mean the timings of the pictures. Going back to 5 seconds, you can see that's already decreased the shorten the timings. So if it's still 15 seconds, if you would have to crop a bit, the only thing what you have to do is you have to download the video. Now this video is downloaded. Go into the upload file. I just choose this file to upload. So now this video is uploaded. I just open a new page, inserting the video. And for the better quality, or how we can be more precise, here from the zoom page to changing to the bottom, which is zoom thumbnails, which is I think this is not a proper name. We can zooming in a timeline, which is very good due to we can do this step by step moves in the video much better. I mean, we can be more precise to cut what I don't need it. So I just right click again here, split page, and now it's only 6 seconds, 6.7 seconds, this whole video. Mostly the transition in the video, and I think that's much better than it keeping in a whole 15 seconds. But actually that really depends what you need on your the video or presentation or animation, where you would like to use this video effect. I can imagine if maybe you need a shorter period from the black, then the color one might be even increased to 10, 15, 30 seconds, just to have a longer video with starting with the black and white, and just made a small transition in the first period, then keep it in this color, and then you can animate it, you can add text and logos and anything which is what you want or what you need. But this is a next step. Now this video is going to the end. See you in the next tutorial. Ciao.